This double-decker bus was converted into house on wheels. In total it's 10 meters long. Here you have an awning from outside. From the other side is a garage with a storage and a washing machine. This bus is almost 20 years old and it was purchased with 450,000 miles on the clock. The bus itself cost only 4,000 pounds. On the roof you have solar panels and a tiny terrace. The original door was replaced with French doors opening outside, and the bottom is now a doorbell. When you enter you have a shoe storage and wardrobe, and the owner. Here is a kitchen with extra storage everywhere where you could not to lose any extra space. Even here in the corner, fridge and freezer, oven, stove, dining area that transfers into the sofa mode, fireplace, extra bench to sit and watch the birds. Behind this beautiful door is a bathroom with composting toilet, and a sink. And stairs brings you to the second floor. There's a work desk. Shelf. This shelf actually can be, it's on wheels so you can move it around and make it extra room. Here is the TV that comes out. And this is actually a bookshelf as a secret door to the bedroom. And in the bedroom you have a double bed and the wardrobe. And this roof window brings you out on the terrace. In total, to G and Limona it took 1 year to build their dream home on wheels, and the total cost including the bus it was £22,000.